Okay, so if you're getting this error on Firefox, this is how to fix it. First, come up the address bar. If you see this icon, the settings icon over here, click it. If you don't see it, don't worry about that. We're just going to skip this particular step for you, but the rest of this video still applies to you. Okay, so you've clicked the settings icon. If you see that send notifications is blocked, go ahead and unblock it here. Then your URL bar should look like this, and you may have already had it look like this from the first part, but now there's still a few more things to do. Now we got to go deep into the Firefox settings to make sure that notifications are allowed for websites in general. So come over here, go to settings, go to privacy and security, scroll down until you hit the permissions section. Then you're going to see notifications. Click settings next to that. Make sure that this block new requests asking to allow notifications is unchecked. Make sure that that's allowed and not blocked. Save these changes. Come back to subalert.com. Make sure you refresh the page. And now it should work. Make sure to allow it. And there we go.